Even let us solve the following. A die is rolled once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. Okay. So here a die is rolled once. We need to find the probability of getting a prime number. And second one is a number lying between 2 and 6 and an odd number. Right? Yes. So, when a single fair die is rolled, there are six possible outcomes in the sample space. That means when a die is rolled once, we may get one or two or three or four or five or six. So, these are the total possible outcomes when the die is rolled once. Okay. So, here total possible outcomes are six. Number of total possible outcomes is six. Okay. So, to find the probability of any particular event, okay, we use the formula that probability of the event is given by number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So, when the die is rolled once, always the total number of possible outcomes will be 6. Okay, now we are going to find out the required ones. What is asked in the first bit? In the first bit, we need to find out the probability of getting a prime number. Okay, so the prime numbers on a die are the numbers that have exactly two factors, that is 1 and themselves. Okay, prime number is defined like that only. A prime number is the number which has only two factors, 1 and itself, that we know. So how many prime numbers are there here? 2 comma 3 comma 5. Yes or no? So to have a prime number, we should get these three numbers only, either 2 or 3 or 5. Okay, so total number of favorable outcomes are 3 here. Okay, for the event to get a prime number when the die is rolled. Okay, so total favorable outcomes are 3. Possible home outcomes are how many? There are 6 possible outcomes when the die is rolled once. Okay, so the total possible outcomes when the die is rolled are 6. Right, so the probability of getting a prime number will be equal to number of favorable outcomes by possible outcomes, that is 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5. Okay, so the probability of getting a prime number when the die is rolled once is 1 by 2 or zero point 0.5. Okay, right. Next, second bit, we have to check the probability of a number lying between 2 and 6. This is the second bit. So the numbers strictly between 2 and 6 do not include 2 and 6 themselves. This point should be clear. So when we are finding out the probability of getting a number between 2 and 6, we should not take into consideration 2 comma 6. Yes or no? We should find out the numbers in between them. So how many numbers will be them? Definitely uh, 3, 4, 5 will be there. One will be excluded because we need to find out the numbers which are between 2 and 6. Okay, so total favorable outcomes will be 3 only. That means the numbers when we get 3 comma 4 comma 5, any of these three, we are able to find out the we are successful in that event. Yes or no? So the total number of favorable outcomes will be 3. So what are the favorable outcomes? Either 3 or 4 or 5. Yes or no? So the total number of favorable outcomes is 3. So total number of possible outcomes are 6 here. So how will we find the probability? The probability of a number lying between 2 and 6 will be total number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Okay. So favorable outcomes are 3 and possible outcomes are 6. Obviously it also becomes 1 by 2. Okay, or zero point 0.5 when we simplify it. Okay, right. Next, so third event is the probability of getting an odd number. Okay, so the odd numbers on a die are those which are not divisible by 2, that we know. Odd numbers are the numbers which are not divisible by 2. So how many numbers are there? So odd numbers are 1 comma 3 comma 5. Yes or no? Again here favorable outcomes, total number of favorable outcomes, again here also 3. Total possible outcomes are 6. Okay, so probability of getting an odd number will be equal to total number of favorable outcomes by possible outcomes. So 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 or zero point 0.5. Okay, yes or no? So in this way we are able to find out the probabilities of the required events. Okay, the probability of of getting an odd number is 1 by 2, and the probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6 is also 1 by 2, and of course the probability of getting a prime number when the die is rolled once is also equal to 1 by 2. Okay, right, very simple. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.